morning students. How are you? Okay, welcome to new section of mathematics. What we studied in last class? Adding 1 digits to the number 10. Okay, so we can do some examples. 10 plus 5. What is 10 plus 5? How we can find the sum? We can draw place value blocks and we will find the sum. Okay, so how we draw 10? We can draw a rectangle shape like this to show number 10. Okay, then we are going to add number 5. How we can draw number 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can draw 5 small squares to show the number 5. So we are going to put all these blocks together and we will get the sum. Okay. So here I am going to draw the 10 blocks first. Then 5 small squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then which number is this? Number 15. How you got? Here only one rectangle shape in this tens place. So it shows number 1 and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. So we can write number 5 in ones place. So we got, when we add 10 plus 5 which equals 50. Okay. Can you say what is 10 plus 3? Can you say the sum of 10 plus 3? Can you say the sum without drawing the place value blocks? Yes, we can say the sum without drawing place value blocks. Okay, here I am going to add 10 with the number 3. So here we are going to find the sum without drawing the place value blocks. So here I can see the tens place and ones place. So in number 10 we can see the tens place and ones place. And in number 3 we can see only ones place. So when we add 10 plus 3 we can write the first tens place. Okay, so here only 1. So we can write number 1 in tens place. Then in ones place 0 and here 3. So we want to add 0 to number 3. What is 0 plus 3? 0 plus 3 is 3. So if we add any number to the number 0, we will get that number itself. Okay, so we can do some more examples. 5 plus 0 is 5. Then 10 plus 0 is, can you say 10 plus 0 is 10. Then can you say what is 888 plus 0? What will be the answer? 888. So if we add any number to the number 0, we will get that number itself. So tens place and ones place. Here only ones place. So only one number in tens place. So here we can write the 1. Then in ones place 0 and 3. So what is 0 plus 3? 3. Then we got number 13. Okay. Then can you say what is 8 plus 10? What is 8 plus 10? Shall we do? Okay. Here only ones place. Here tens place and ones place. So in both this number only one tens place. So only the number 1 in tens place. So we can write number 1 first. Then 8 in ones place, 0 in ones place. So what is 8 plus 0? 8. So we can write number 8 here. Then we got the sum 18. Next, can you say without writing, what is 10 plus 1? 10 plus 1? 11. Very good. So we can say the answer without drawing any place value blocks. Today we are going to study the second lesson, adding 1 digits and 2 digits numbers. Lesson number 2. Adding 1 digits and 2 digits numbers. Adding 1 digits and 2 digits numbers. Now, can you say what is 13 plus 4? Can you say what is 13 plus 4? We don't know the answer, right? Then we can draw the place value blocks and we are going to find the sum. Okay. So, how we can draw number 13? Yes, we can draw a one tens block. One tens blocks like this. Then 3 ones block. Okay. So, here number 13. Then we are going to add number 13 with the number 4. Then how we can draw number 4? We can draw 4 small squares like this. Then we are going to put these blocks together and we can find the sum. Then here only 1 tens block. So here only 1 tens block. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ones block. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which number is this? Number 17, right? Here only 1 in 1 tens place. So number 1, and here we can count the number of squares. Then we got number 7. So 7 small squares. So 7 in 1's place. So we can say when we add number 13 with number 4, we will get the sum 17. Okay. Now we can do some more example. What is 12 plus 6? What is 12 plus 6? So first we can draw the place value blocks. Are you ready? Yes. We can draw number 12 like this. 1 tens block and 2 ones blocks. So 1, 2. Then we are going to add number 6. So 12 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are going to put these blocks together and we can find the sum. So here only 1 tens blocks. So 1 rectangle shape. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones block. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then which number is this? Here 1 tens blocks. So number 1 in tens. Then 8 ones blocks. So number 8 in ones place. Then we got, when we add 12 to the number 6, then we got number 18. So we can write number 18 here. Okay? Here I am going to ask you a story like problem. You know jar that we can sew jars in bakeries or sweet shops. So you can see jars like this. Then there are 12 cookies in a jar. Then Meera added 5 more cookies into the jar. How many cookies are there in total? So here there are 12 cookies in a jar. Then Meera added 5 more cookies into the jar. Then here there are total 12 plus 5 cookies, right? So we can find the sum. Then we will get the total number of cookies. Okay. So we can add 12 to the number 5. So there are 12 cookies in a jar and Meera added means plus. Meera added 5 more cookies to the jar. Then we can find the total number of cookies in that jar. So how we can find? We can draw place value blocks and we will find the sum. So here 1 tens place. So in tens place number 1. So we can draw tens block. And in ones place number 2. So we can draw number 2 like this. Then we are going to add number 5 to number 12. Then we can draw number 5 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then what we got? Only one rectangle shape or one tens place. Then we can draw one tens block. Then we can count the number of ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we can draw 7 small squares. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then which number we got? Here only 1 tens blocks. So number 1. Then here 7 ones blocks. So in ones place number 7. Then we got, when we add 12 to number 5 or when Meera added 5 more cookies to the jar, then we got number 17 or 17, total number of 17 cookies in that jar. Okay. Now, can you say what is 15 plus 9? 15 is a 2-digit number and here 9 is 1-digit number. We can draw place value blocks first. So we are going to draw place value blocks like this. Here number 15. So 1 in tens place. So 1 rectangle shape. Then 5 in ones place. So we can draw number 5 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we are going to add number 15 to the number 9. How we can draw number 9? We can draw 9 small squares. Okay. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Then we are going to put all these blocks together. So here only 1 tens blocks. So here we can draw 1 tens block. Then how many ones block? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here 10 ones, then 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 blocks, 14 ones blocks. How we can draw 14 ones blocks? We can draw 14 like drawing 1 tens block, then 4 ones blocks. So we can put all these 10 ones blocks together and we will got 1 tens blocks. So we can put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We can put all these 10 ones blocks together and we will get 1 tens blocks. Okay. Then after 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 small squares are left. Then we can draw small 4 squares like this. Which number is this? Here 1, 2. 2 tens blocks. So 2 in tens place. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones blocks. So we can write 4 in ones place. So we got 15 plus 9 is 24. Okay. Now let's do another example. What is 11 plus 9? 11 plus 9. Now we can draw the place value block first. So 1 in tens block, 1 in tens place, so 1 tens block. Then 1 in ones place, so 1 small square. Then we are going to add number 11 with number 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 small squares. So we can put all these blocks together, then we will get the sum. So here only 1 tens place. So 1 tens block. Then we can count number of ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we got 10 ones blocks. We can put this 10 ones blocks together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We can put all these ones blocks together and we will got tens blocks. So we can draw a tens block like this. Okay. So which number is this? 2. 2 tens blocks. So 2 in tens place. So nothing in ones place. Nothing means 0. So we can write 0 in ones place. So what we got? When we add 11 with number 9, we got the sum is 20. Okay. So next we can discuss the worksheets.
First, we can discuss the practice questions given in our textbook. First question is, write whether true or false. If false, find the correct sum. First, you have to find whether the questions A, B, C are correct or not. If any of them are false, then you have to write the correct sum. Second question is, fill in the blank question. So question A, 4 more than 12 is. More than means add in. That is 4 plus 12 is. That is the question. And the second question, 2 added to 13 is. It is also 2 plus 13. Then the question C, 13 more than 7 is dash. Then the question D, 14 and 3 is. It is also meant that 14 plus 3. Here you can see different ways of questions to find the sum of two numbers. Question number 3. It is a story-like question. A farmer had 4 cows and 12 goats. How many animals did he have? Here you have to add 4 to the number 12. Then you can find the total number of animals he had. Before writing the workbook answers, don't forget to write date. Now let's discuss the questions. First question is about write the sum in the box. First, you have to find the sum, then you can write in these boxes. Second question is draw place value blocks and find the sum. Use small square to show 1 ones block and rectangle to show 1 tens block. So you can find the sum of the questions A and B by drawing place value blocks. Third question is a story-like problem. There are 15 students in a classroom. 3 students walk in. How many students are there in the classroom now? Here there are 15 students and 3 students walk in. That is, 3 students are added to the 15 students. So you have to add 3 to the number 15. Then you can find the total number of students in that classroom.
So this is for today. We are going to wind up our class. Don't forget to do all your worksheets. Thank you. Bye.